Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 11. There are three methods to disable driver signature enforcement. The first method is using the advanced startup option. The second method is using the boot configuration editor. The third method is using the local group policy editor. Actually, what is the reason to disable driver signature enforcement? When you try to install any unsigned drivers, the system won't allow you to install those drivers because those drivers not digitally signed. And when you try to install those drivers, when you try to install unsigned drivers, the system faces issue like this. Windows encountered a problem installing the driver software. So in that scenario, we need to disable driver signature enforcement. So the first method is using the advanced startup options. So to boot into the advanced startup option, we need to restart the system. Restarting means not normal restart. So when you try to restart, just hold the shift key on keyboard and tap on restart. Otherwise, directly open it. Directly open settings. Directly open settings and tap on system. Scroll down. Tap on recovery. If you restart from advanced startup options also, it will directly boot into the advanced startup options. So tap on restart now. Tap on restart now again. Now the system it will directly boot into advanced startup options. So just please wait 1 or 2 minutes. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to boot into the advanced startup options. Now you can see here the system boot into advanced startup options. Tap on troubleshoot. Tap on troubleshoot. Tap on advanced options. Tap on startup settings. So restart to change Windows options such as. So just tap on restart. Now you can see here startup settings. Press a number to choose from the options below. So to disable the driver signature enforcement, you need to press 7 or F7. Either you can press function key F7, otherwise you can directly press 7 also, because this is the 7th option to disable the driver signature enforcement. So press 7 on keyboard. So after you press 7 on keyboard, you will disable the driver signature enforcement. And you need to remember one more point also. This is the temporary way actually. This is temporary method. So after restarting the system, just you can install unsigned driver. Then you can install unsigned driver, and but once you restart, it will re-enable the. Once you restart, it will re-enable the device driver again. Actually, why we are using this method means when you actually sometimes we need to install any old driver for any GPU actually, otherwise any other devices also we need to install some drivers. So that is the reason we need to disable this device drivers signature enforcement. I mean, sometimes we need to install any old drivers for any GPUs and other hardware also. So that time we need these unsigned drivers. So this is the one method actually using the advanced startup options, we can disable the driver signature enforcement. But this is a temporary method only. Just keep this point, remember. I mean, keep in your mind. And the second method using the boot configuration editor. So to open the boot configuration editor, just open the command prompt. Open the command prompt as an administrator. The start menu, type command prompt and run as administrator. Tap on yes. And you need to run this command. Just run this command bcdedit. BCD means actually boot configuration editor. Space /set space no integrity checks space on. So this is the second method actually. BCD edit space /set space no integrity checks space on. Hit enter. You can see here the operation completed successfully. And to check it is enabled or not. I mean the command is working or not. To check the command is working or not. So again type BCD edit only. To check command is working or not, just type bcdedit and hit enter. Scroll down under Windows bootloader. Here you can see, here you can check no integrity checks. Under no integrity checks is showing yes, means the command is working. So in this way you can verify after you run the command it is working or not. So this is the second method to disable the driver signature enforcement. And the third method is using the local group policy editor. So to open the local group policy editor, just run the command bcdedit.msc. Tap on OK. Otherwise, in the start menu, type bcdedit. Sorry, wait for 1 second. When you type bcdedit, it will display like this: edit group policy. From the run dialog box also, you can use this command to open the local group policy editor bcdedit.msc. Otherwise, from the start menu also, you can type bcdedit. It will display edit group policy. Tap on this edit group policy. Just navigate to the user configuration. Next, navigate to the administrative templates. Next, navigate to the system. After that, navigate to the driver installation. First, you need to navigate to the user configuration and the next administrative template. Next, navigate to the system. After that, you need to tap on driver installation. So after you tap on driver installation, just tap on this code signing for driver packages. Just right click on this code signing for driver packages. Tap on edit. So this is the third method actually to disable the driver signature enforcement. Just check this radio button enabled. So after you check this radio button enabled, and here you need to here you need to scroll this drop down, scroll this drop down menu, and you need to tap the ignore. You need to select the ignore from the drop down menu also. And Windows detects a driver file without a digital signature, just you need to ignore actually. So from drop down menu, you need to select ignore. After that, tap on apply and tap on OK. And this is the third way actually, third method to disable the driver signature enforcement. And after that, if you want to re-enable again, so just follow the same steps and tap on this code signing driver packages. And just check this box, check the radio button, not configured. And it will directly re-enable the driver signature enforcement. This is the third method actually. So using these three methods, you can disable the driver signature enforcement. And if you want the command also, if you want that boot configuration editor command also, I will provide in the description, video description below. Just you can take from there. That's it, guys. In this way, actually, using these three methods, advanced startup option, using these three methods, advanced startup option and boot configuration editor and local group policy editor, you can disable the driver signature enforcement and you can install the unsigned driver also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family also. And if you have any queries regarding this video, please post a comment. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you, guys.